now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a great and fantastic week. Bye. I'm Sea Lion Leader Molly Bragman.
And I am Sea Lion Leader Violet Lowenthal with this week's announcements.
Welcome back, Sea Lions. We hope you have an incredible Memorial Day holiday with friends and family.
McGaw will be celebrating the Honorary Service Award winners. Thank you, honorees, for all you've done to help McGaw. PTA will be selling McGaw merchandise in front of the school. Come by and get some new gear.
UTK will be going on a field trip to El Dorado Nature Center. Have fun on your little adventure. The movie with the principal is on Friday. Congratulations on collecting all those Robux.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
It's time to practice gratitude at the School by the Sea.
Who do you appreciate and why?
I appreciate Miss Francisco because she's a really good teacher and she makes everything really fun. And she's also always makes me smile.
You appreciate and why?
Miss Kingston, because I learned the most from her.
You appreciate and why?
Miss Wallace, because she always helps me when I'm stuck on math problems.
You appreciate and why?
I appreciate this guy because he's my friend.
I appreciate Miss Kingston because she was so nice and always made me laugh, and she was such a sweet, supportive teacher. McGaw Sea Lions practice gratitude every single day.
Hey McGaw Sea Lions, Anchored for Life is launching the We Care donation drive starting Tuesday, June 3rd. We're collecting pre-packaged earthquake kits and unexpired food from your old emergency kits. Just drop your donations into the black We Care bins in the plaza. It's a great way to give back, to clean out your closets, and help someone in need. Thanks for showing someone that you care. Every little bit helps. Thanks so much.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student Matthias Barona. Matthias had a great day today and got all of his work done in a timely manner. Way to go, Matthias!
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Kim wants to shout out kindergarten student Cameron Badula. She said that Cameron goes above and beyond to do his best classwork. He does not rush, but takes his time and puts thought into all that he does. Way to go!
First grade.
Let's celebrate first grader from Miss Monteleone's class, Lorelei Torres. She said that Lorelei always goes above and beyond. She puts her heart into everything she does. Way to go, Lorelei.
Second grade.
Miss Melissa wants to shout out second grader from Miss Lyons' class, Carter Johnson. She said that Carter had raw behavior when he cleaned up play equipment after recess. Thanks so much, Carter, for doing the right thing.
Third grade.
Ms. Quesada wants to shout out third grader Sophia Kawasme. She said that Sophia stayed after recess to pick up extra trash and trays that were left out by other students. We appreciate you and how much you care for our campus.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants you to celebrate fourth grader Grayson Takami. You see, Grayson brought extra chairs in from the assembly. That was so helpful and really kind to help out your peers. We appreciate you, Grayson.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. Bassich wants to celebrate Ella Dennis for doing some awesome work in the music lab. Thank you so much, Ella, for being a great student.
And
That's a wrap, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
You have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take your risks, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!